Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by protecting yourself and the glass. Safety matters. Once you have gloves, eye protection, a razor blade, and mineral spirits, tape the frame to catch drips. Apply a small amount of solvent to the painted area and let it sit for 1 to 3 minutes so the paint softens. Then, using a single-edge razor at a low angle, make controlled strokes away from the seal. Make sure to keep the glass wet so the softened paint peels, not scratches. Continue systematically. You work in small sections and reapply solvent as needed. That keeps paint pliable and easier to remove. Once the blade removes most film, switch to a plastic card to lift thin residue so you do not gouge the glass. If paint remains thick, briefly warm it with a low-setting heat gun to loosen adhesion, but make sure not to overheat window seals or nearby paint. Between passes, wipe with soapy water to inspect progress and prevent scratching. To finish, you remove residue with isopropyl alcohol and a lint-free cloth, then polish with standard glass cleaner for clarity. If faint scratches appear, treat them with a cerium oxide polish following product instructions. Deep scratches cannot be reliably removed and may require glass replacement. If paint resists, make sure you resoak long enough or switch to a stronger adhesive remover and repeat scraping gently. If anything goes wrong, pause and reassess rather than forcing the blade, which is the main cause of damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.